Hey everybody, this is Jacob at AI AutoWorks, and today I want to show you a little bit about this truck. We had a little bit of repair work. Unfortunately, somebody around him was not super careful at a McDonald's and accidentally tagged him on the side of the truck with a white car. So as you can imagine, it definitely needed some work, but we were able to get it out of the Rocklear just fine. And just in case you're wondering why this camera angle looks a little weird, well, it's actually because I'm shooting this from the reflection of the truck.
Yeah, so before we do the actual repair work, we have to make sure the vehicle is clean so we can see everything that we're working with. You also get a wash 30 days after the Rocklear is installed as well. But this is just part of that process of actually making sure the vehicle looks good, and I just want to show the hydrophobicness of Rocklear. Yeah, so here's the damage that he actually sustained in the parking lot. I mean, it looks like somebody basically bumped up against him, or somebody's kid got out of their car and slammed their door into his. It's kind of hard to say exactly what happened, but definitely a white car slammed into it. And so basically, what we're going to do here is our first step with a rock clear repair is always to try to buff and polish the actual coating. If you had a ceramic, you're not able to do that. If you had a paint protection film, you're not able to do that. Rock Clear is the only thing that you can buff and polish on the actual vehicle, that the coating stays on the vehicle. It doesn't get buffed away, it doesn't fall off, it doesn't get erased. We're basically treating it almost as we would a clear coat. And as you can see, I mean, granted, that video sped up, but as you can see, it comes right out. Had that been his base paint, or had that been anything else, there's going to be a lot more repair work that's more than likely needed. Okay, last thing that we're going to do here is just a quick polish. Basically, this is just to remove really any imperfections in the rock clear. Um, Once it's done, it's going to leave this vehicle looking, I mean, like it just freshly got applied. And this is something that can be done to the rock clear that you cannot do to any other coating. You can't do it to ceramic, you can't do it to PPF, you can't do it to anything else. So something exclusive to rock clear just shines it up a little bit more, makes it look awesome.